Hello guys, I just bought the most affordable tablet on the market right now for my nephew. Come with me and let's unbox it to see if it is worth it. The name of the tablet is C Idea. The C probably for China, I guess. All right. All right, guys. I can see a lot of accessories in here. Let's check them out. This is probably the user manual, I guess. The pin to remove SIM holder just dropped. Yes, and this is a Bluetooth speaker. I can't wait to test it to see the quality of sound it can produce. That's the Type-C charging port. Let's see what is inside this box. Let's open it and see what is inside this box. Okay, so this is the charging adapter, the charger. Okay, let's take them one after the other to see what is in it. All right, this is a mouse. I think that will be a Bluetooth mouse. Let's have a look. Yes, guys, a Bluetooth mouse. That means you can use this mouse for the tablet. It can also be used for your PC as well. They give us a pen. All right, nice one. And that's probably yes, USB Type-C USB cord for charging, right? Yeah. And let's see this. This looks like an AirPod, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's remove it and see. Yeah, guys, this is an AirPod from C Idea. I can't wait to see the quality with the USB charger for the AirPod, as you can see there. All right. Okay, so that's what an LED watch or something. Let's remove the cover. Let's see what's inside there. I think so. Okay. Yeah, I think it's an LED watch. LED watch, yeah. Not bad. Is that what is that? A key holder or something? Right, guys, let's go into the most important thing. Okay, so that's the USB. And that's the keyboard. Looks nice, pretty nice keyboard. I think it's Bluetooth as well. Yeah, a Bluetooth keyboard. And what's certificate of conformity, right? Now I think we are going to the tablet itself. Let's take out the tablet itself. All right, 10.1 inches tablet. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let's remove the case. Let's remove the case and let's see. All right, the back, you have the Type-C charging ports, power button, volume button. You have the audio jack. Okay, and where to insert your SIM card. Not bad, guys. All right, quite sleek, I guess, guys. Looks quite sleek. So let's power it on and see. Yeah, not that bad. It has 8 GB RAM and then 500 GB ROM. So not bad for a student. You can download a lot of videos, YouTube videos and other videos for his learning. Not bad. You can get one for your son or daughter, or maybe for yourself. Guys, I will do a full review of it, but before I do that, if you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comments and I will answer you. Guys, if you have made it this far, kindly subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye for now.